just want to take a moment to take my glasses off and just to feel the kisses of the sun. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so wonderful. Isn't it wonderful that something wonderful is happening to me right now? Isn't it wonderful that something wonderful is happening to me right now? Absolutely. Endless bliss, now and always. So I want to take this moment just to answer a few questions. So I got a question that asked, and the subscriber asked me, when I was manifesting my wife Kylie, was I actually doing the things such as going to dinner, going for walks on the beach, and just spending time with her? Was I actually doing that in imagination, or was I pretending in the 3D? That's a good question. Well, because imagination is the real world, so if I had to pretend in the 3D as though I'm gonna go for a date with my wife or walk on the beach in the 3D, that would be delusional. I would look so stupid if I had to do that. But however, if I do it in my imagination right now, and I take a moment and I say, yo, press pause, I just want to close my eyes now, and I'm now seeing myself walking on the beach with my wife, holding her hands, kissing her, looking at the sunset, and just enjoying that beautiful moment. I now go to the restaurant in my imagination, and my wife is sitting right across me, right next to me, and we're cheersing our glasses to endless bliss in my imagination, and I tell her how beautiful she is, and I just say, you know what, I've always waited for this moment, and I'm so grateful. I do this in my imagination. When I watch Netflix, I do it in my imagination. I see her sitting right next to me. We're laughing, watching comedies and stuff. I do that in imagination. Now, why would I do it in imagination? Because imagination is the only real reality. This reality is a reflection of the imagination. The imagination is awareness, consciousness, the inner world. Whatever you accept in the inner world reflects in the outer world. So that's the first question. And there's another question, and the one subscriber asked, okay, so Gabriel, I've actually accepted that I am the person who has my desire now, and so what do I do if my friends ask me, how's my relationship going? That's a very good question. So just for context, this subscriber's desire is to manifest a relationship. Now, the only requirement that she needs to do in order to actually bring this a manifestation in the 3D is to accept in the 4D that she is now the loving girlfriend. She is now the coolest girlfriend. She's now the most freaking awesome girlfriend, right? And so when she now accepts it in the 4D that, oh, I am the person now who has my desire, and I just now have to fulfill myself in imagination, especially when I feel lack. And what do I mean by fulfilling myself in imagination? By being your desire, feeling your desire, thinking your desire, acting your desire, and just really have fun as the person who is now in a loving relationship. You do that in your imagination. So now in the 3D, you now hang out with your friends and they asking you, hey, how's your relationship going? And now you're like, oh, I'm still single in the 3D. So how do I navigate this? How do I actually respond to this? Well, so there's going to be two answers to this question. Suppose your friends are open to the idea of manifestation and they kind of know what's happening. You can then respond in a way to say that, yeah, it's going freaking awesome. I am now the coolest girlfriend. Isn't that cool? And I just love the fact that my partner or my boyfriend or my wife or my husband and I, we are freaking so similar. We always, do the same things. We, have fun with, doing this. And it's just, we like fit like a hand in glove. It's like a freaking movie. It's like a romantic movie. And I'm so grateful. Right? That's the first part of the answer, right? And then the second is, suppose they do not subscribe to manifestation, they're not open to the idea, and they maybe like think, no, this is just BS and stuff like that. Then all you have to tell them that is that, well, it's in process, and I can't wait until my a boyfriend or girlfriend or partner or whatever the case may be arrives. But it's in process. So now with that is like, it's basically close-ended, because now you're telling them, okay, well, in the 3D, I'm still single and I don't have a partner. I'm still single. And you told them that no, it's in process and you can't wait until your partner arrives. And then they're going to change the subject, because now at least you know that you're not lying to yourself and you're not feeling like you're delusional. But as long as you know the truth, and the truth is in your imagination, because you've already accepted in your imagination that you are now the loving partner, you're the loving wife, you're the loving husband, you're the loving boyfriend, you're the loving girlfriend. You've already accepted that. You're now remaining faithful to that identity. And the 3D will conform automatically. And soon, you're going to hear people say, whoa, your boyfriend must be spoiling you. Your girlfriend must be spoiling you. And you're thinking, whoa, no, but I'm still single. How can the person say that my boyfriend must be spoiling me? Or you'll hear people say, oh, you're glowing. Your boyfriend must be really looking after you. Your girlfriend must be really, and you're thinking, whoa, wait up. I'm still single in the 3D. Well, that is a bridge of event, basically showing you that you're on the right path and that the grand finale is about to be unleashed upon you. And that is your manifestation, which is your partner. But your job is to remain faithful to your wish fulfilled. In other words, you have to remain faithful to your new story. And your new story is, you are the person who now has your desire. That's it.